Are you looking to create or refresh your home office space?
Today, we're going to give you some ideas on how you can add form and function to your home office space.
Many desks today allow lots of storage, and they also have power and USB for your lights, for charging your phones, for everything you need for a complete office space.
If you have natural light in your space, let's use it, because that's great for productivity. If you don't, then you can add lighting. Get the proper amount of light to really be productive.
You can also personalize your home office with things that make you feel good about yourself, memories of trips you've taken, anything that helps make your office feel more like a home and not a workspace.
Yeah. Family photos. It could be little words of encouragement, like, what we have back here. Also, adding some greenery, bringing the outdoors in can really help your workspace. Trees, plants, really. I don't have a green thumb, so I have to use our faux ones. But
use our succulents.
I think they're important to bring it into the space. So do use that. If you have any fun things that you've done in your workspace, leave us a comment, and share that. Everything you've seen here today is available at American Furniture Warehouse or AFW.com.